So my name is Destiny, and I'm doing Allison's voiceover for today. So she's about to use some Lorac eyeshadow primer on her eyebrows and eyelids, and now we're putting some Anastasia brow pomade with a number 14 brush. We don't do no basic shit, like we out here popping. Yeah, and she's very like critiquing her eyebrows and making sure they're perfect because they always come out perfect. So yeah, this is gonna take about a good 20 minutes, so just wait on it. 10 minutes later. So now she's putting concealer on her dusty eyelids, using a NYX Sprite palette. After that, she's putting a lot of magentas and pinks, and just to make it pop out and with her cock out. So just wait on that shit. Um, Her eyebrows are looking nice, right, guys? So then she's still stunning on y'all. So she's trying to be like Nelly and put some tape on her face just to do a little cut crease. And so she can cover the eyeshadow she already put on, which is kind of goofy, but that's what makeup does, I guess. Yeah, so we out here looking like Nelly with eyeshadow. And now she's gonna keep on going to putting the concealer over so she can make her cut crease look good with all the colors she's about to put on her face, which is gonna be popping at the end. So 20 seconds later. And now we're gonna keep on brushing till all the dirt come off her eyebrows. I mean eyelids, whatever it is. And then we're gonna add another layer of that shit. So it'll be super thick and it won't come off. We're gonna use a light magenta, put it in the inner crease of the eyelid, and then we're gonna use a highlight pink, and then yeah, use a dark purple to do all that shindig. And now we're gonna blend in all the colors so it looks hella cute, hella poppin', hella circusy. You feel me? Now I'm gonna put a little eyeliner so she looking poppin' right now, just to make the colors pop. And then she's gonna be using a NYX glitter glue, and she's gonna stun on y'all hoes with that. But at the end, and then so she can put another part of glitter on her top lid of the eyeliner. And so you blend that in, and it's red. She's poking her lips out. Now she's gonna use face primer to prime her face everywhere. Chicken attack. She dig it in her nose, booty, back, butt up, bop. Yeah, and then keep on going. Boom, bam. Cover her little mustache. And then keep on going. She baking. This ain't no kitchen shit. I guess there's glitter under her eyes to make more pop out, and then we gonna put more eyeshadow on that bitch. So we out here, and yeah, and then we're gonna use a lighter purple again. Ooh, this actually look really good. And then yeah, cover some spots and poke the lips out. Put more glitter. Damn, girl. She trying to make us shine. Fuck it up. And then she keep on putting more eyeliner to make it perfect. And then checks herself out, put on some falsies, eyelashes, cause you know she don't got no real ones. Pop that highlight, brush the shoulders off. I don't know what the fuck that was, but go off, sis. And yeah, that's it. So she showed y'all what y'all need to do. Be in tune, stupid.